Hey, it's Aaron, and I spent over $280,000 on my affiliate marketing education learning how to market, and because of that, I've generated almost $3 million in sales. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing, it's an amazing industry, but there's a lot of ways to do it, 1,000 ways to skin a cat, and a lot of them don't really work that well. So we're gonna show you, and I'm gonna talk about exactly the ones that work and the strategies that don't work in affiliate marketing so you don't make the same mistakes, okay? Just real quick, a little bit of proof here. This is me making $1 million with selling somebody else's product, and this is another screenshot, $673,000 with affiliate marketing, selling other people's products. And let's jump right into the training. All right, so 6 different affiliate marketing strategies that I've tested, okay? And not all of them work, all right? So let's run through them so you don't make the same mistakes, okay? So the first one that a lot of people talk about is building an authority website. That's when you build an authority website about any topic. It could be about the best fishing tackle. It could be about the best TVs. It could be about the best weight loss products, right? And the problem with building an authority website is that it takes a lot of time because you basically have to build everything. You have to write hundreds and hundreds of articles, and then you have to rank them on Google. And the only way that people find you is if you're ranking on the first page, usually in the top 1 to 5 positions, okay? That is extremely difficult. That will take you at least 1 to 3 years in order to rank your articles and website properly. I did this for a whole year. It was a complete waste of money, spent thousands and thousands of dollars, and that's the reason why I don't think that this is a good way, okay? It takes years to rank on Google, search engine optimization, which is getting less and less relevant with the advent of AI because people are going to, AI, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini tools rather than actually doing Google searches. So it's completely going to be irrelevant moving forward, right? And it's just too much work and too little reward, okay? A lot of people talk about building an authority website, dropping a whole bunch of Amazon associate affiliate links in there. This is one of the quickest ways to go broke, too time consuming, and I wouldn't even waste your time doing it, right? The next one is spamming links, okay? So spamming links is basically about finding ways to get your affiliate link from a network, and you just basically plaster it all over the internet. So whether that's on forums or Facebook or other social media platforms like Instagram, right? A lot of people kind of talk about this. This doesn't work, all right? And the reason why this doesn't work is very simple. Zero trust, so nobody buys, right? Just because somebody lands on your affiliate link and it ends up being a sales page doesn't mean that people are going to buy from you. So please stay away from this. This is a really, really bad strategy. And some people, still talk about spamming links and just, putting them everywhere so people can see them. People are not going to buy like that, all right? People only buy from people that they know, like, and trust. Third way is paid ads to an offer. That means you run some sort of paid ad like an Instagram ad or a Facebook ad straight into some sort of offer. Either it goes directly to the affiliate sales page or it goes into something like a webinar funnel, okay, which can be pretty good. But here's the problem with paid ads to an offer. Number one, you need big budgets. Otherwise, it doesn't work, all right? You basically need at least 2, 3, 4, 5,000 US dollars a month running on Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Meta ads, Google ads, pay-per-click ads, YouTube ads, right? For you to test and tweak what works and what doesn't, because a lot of the time you're spending more money on advertising than you're actually getting out on the back end, all right? So it's very, very hard to dial in, and ROI is always a problem. So that means if you're spending $5,000, but you're only making $4,000 in sales, how much money did you make? Well, you actually lost $1,000. And this is the biggest problem with this particular strategy. It doesn't mean that it doesn't work. It can work really well, but you need a big budget and you have to have a very, very good funnel. So it has to be an extremely good book a call funnel, webinar funnel, indoctrination funnel, or it just has to be a super duper sales page and a great offer that converts really, really well, okay? So this is not bad, but I think very few people are gonna succeed from this because not that many people have big enough budgets and access to good offers and good selling mechanisms to have positive ROI. The next one is Instagram to a link, okay? So that means you create lots of Instagram videos and then basically you send them to your profile, and in your profile, maybe you've got a stand store or you've got maybe your affiliate link right there to purchase your product, okay? Now, don't get me wrong. If you drive enough traffic from Instagram, you can make a few sales here, but here's the problem, right? The first problem is zero trust, okay? People don't know who you are, and it takes more than one instance for them to trust you. So if they see a good Instagram video from you and then you're like, hey, if you want to get this result, go and click on the link at the top, right? And then they go to your stand store. Some people might buy if you drive enough traffic and you're going viral and you've got a lot of followers, but the more of the case that happens is because you're just starting out and you're a beginner, a lot of people will just watch your video, maybe they click on your link and they bounce off, which is wasted effort because there's nowhere for them to go after that. You're not collecting an email lead, there's no way to follow up with them. So they go to your stand store, maybe they don't want to buy, they're not interested at the time, and then they disappear. So this is a good strategy, but there's a massive step missing in between, and we're going to talk about that step in a second, okay? The next one is TikTok Shop to TikTok Shop links. That means you're doing lots of TikTok videos, hopefully you go viral, and then you're promoting something on the TikTok Shop, which is usually a physical affiliate product, right? And then hopefully people buy, okay? Now, don't get me wrong, there are people that have made a lot of money from this exact strategy, but there's a few problems with this strategy, right? So first of all, it is very difficult to go viral on TikTok, right? And when we're talking about viral, I'm not talking about 5,000 views or 10,000 views per video. I'm talking about hundreds of thousands, millions of views. That's the only way that you're gonna do really, really well on TikTok Shop, okay? Second thing with the problem with TikTok Shop is the commissions are so small because they're selling physical products, right? And whenever you sell a physical affiliate product, the commissions are very small because it's expensive to manufacture physical products, okay? That's why we like to sell affiliate digital products, not physical stuff. So make sure you take that from this video, okay? The second thing is that if people don't buy from your TikTok Shop straight away, then they are gone forever. So it's the same problem as the Instagram right here, right? If you don't have some sort of funnel to collect an email or a data point where you can follow up with them, people are gonna bounce off your platform and then just gonna disappear forever. So all of your hard work right here of creating all the videos, trying to go viral is kind of wasted because there's no way to follow up with them, okay? So these strategies, they can work. All of them can work potentially, but they're super hard. The only one here that I think doesn't work at all is spamming links, all right? But could you build an authority website? Yes, but it's just way too difficult. It's gonna take years and years and years to get good at, and it's becoming less and less relevant in this day and age of AI. Paid ads to offer, you need huge budgets and a super duper good offer selling mechanism for this to work. This one is okay, but you're missing basically a connection point in between to follow up with people, and it's kind of the same with TikTok Shop. It's very hard to go viral, right? The one that made me millions, all right, is this one right here. Hey, just real quick, I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to make you money. So if that's what you're here for, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Social platforms, free leads to an indoctrination funnel. Okay, so what is that? So basically what you're doing is kind of a combination between this one, and this one right here, okay? Instagram and TikTok are basically two very big platforms, including Facebook and YouTube as well. And the thing that I like about social platforms that are free is they're free. Right? Now it requires effort and you do have to master them to get views and leads, but at least it's free, which means that you can make a lot of mistakes. And it also means that you can start with zero budget and learn to build up and still make money from it, okay? So you can get a lot of attention, right? So you're using social posts to get attention. It's like a free ad. The indoctrination funnel process basically brings people through a process where they opt in, you collect a data point, you follow up with them automatically through your email autoresponder sequence, and you continue sending them to valuable indoctrination videos where you entertain them, you train them, you teach them, you educate them, and then you give them basically the solution to their biggest problem, all right? Now, why would somebody buy from you if you do that? Well, it's because you didn't sell them straight away. What you're doing is you're adding value upfront and you're slowly indoctrinating them to believe in you and that you have the right answer for their biggest problem. That's why this works, okay? So this is what made me millions. You drip feed people through a value process, which you indoctrinate them slowly over time. It builds trust easily because very few people do this, and you are standing out from the competition. You're saying, hey, I'm not going to ask you to buy anything for now. Here's all the free value. I'm going to teach you how to do it. And when you're ready, and if you're ready, you can buy. If you're never ready to buy, it doesn't matter. You still learn to do it anyway, and you're providing a ton of goodwill. People feel safe enough to buy from you because you're not asking for the sale upfront. Okay, and this is what changed the game for me. This is what, went from 8 years and $50,000 down the drain, not making any money, just being super confused and smashing my head against the wall, to eventually making almost $3 million selling digital affiliate products online. And anyone can do this, all right? If you got some value from this video today, let me know, okay? Because I don't want you to waste time. You shouldn't be doing any of these other strategies. I would just focus on this one right here. Social platform posts to an indoctrination funnel over time, add value, build trust, sell affiliate products. This is how you go from zero to full-time income. And if you're like, Aaron, how do I do this right here? I've got a full free masterclass that you can check out. It's in the comment section below. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video today, let me know. Give me some thumbs ups and let me know what you thought in the comment section below. See you soon.